Your greatest achievement will always come right after the moment that almost destroyed you, after the loss that embarrassed you, after the season where you disappointed yourself the most, after the night you realized you were becoming someone you don't even recognize anymore. And if you're not there yet, this video is not for you. But if that line just hit your chest, if you felt that in your stomach, if a part of you whispered, "He's talking to me," then don't click off, because this isn't just motivation. It's a mirror. People always post their wins, but they never post the part where they almost quit. They don't show the months they wasted, the promises they broke to themselves, the mornings they woke up disappointed, pretending they still had time. But you know the truth. The worst pain you ever felt wasn't failure. It was failing yourself. And that realization, that was rock bottom talking. This comeback arc is an apology, not to the world, not to the people who doubted you, but to you. An apology for holding yourself back, for choosing distraction over destiny, for letting fear sit in the driver's seat while your potential sat in the back. You kept saying you wanted more, but you behaved like someone who deserved less. But today, something snaps, not in anger, but in exhaustion, a holy frustration. The kind that says, "I refuse to waste another year negotiating with the person I could become." So you disappear for a while, not because you hate the world, but because you finally love yourself enough to protect your focus. Less noise, less opinions, less consumption, more creation, more discipline, more becoming. This is the season you go ghost and come back solid, sharpened, unshakable. 1. Attack the goal. You don't wait to feel ready. You attack anyway, even shaking, even scared, even unsure, because action is the only proof you respect your own potential. 2. Win the morning, do the hardest thing first. Let your confidence come from conquest, from doing what you said you would do, from choosing effort when comfort begged you to stay. 3. Cut cheap dopamine. Stop soothing the regret with distractions. Earn your dopamine from progress, from workouts, books, kept promises, small daily victories. 4. Reinvent every layer. Physique that reflects strength, knowledge that reflects growth, mindset that reflects a person who can't be laughed out of their destiny anymore. Not perfect, but progressing. Not loud, but dangerous. At the end of your life, you'll only feel one of two pains: the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. One weighs a few hours, the other weighs a lifetime. You know which one you can survive, so survive it and evolve. This arc isn't revenge, it's reinvention. Work in silence. Apologize with results. 2.0 starts now. If you're done comforting the old you and ready to fight for the new you, comment. 2.0 starts now.